Meanwhile, the Indian rupee is back with a bang. After ending the year 2022 as the worst performing Asian currency with a fall of over 11%, the Indian rupee has now come back very strongly. Believe it or not, the Indian rupee has outperformed the Chinese yuan and also the South Korean won. So what does it mean for the Indian rupee and for the Indian economy? Our next report gets you the details.
If you hold a majority of your assets in Indian rupees, you are likely to get richer in the near term. It's the Indian rupee's moment to shine now. In the last 3 weeks, it has outperformed the Chinese yuan and the South Korean won. The rupee reached 81.78 to the US dollar on Monday, its highest in about a month and up about 1% since the beginning of March. Companies and banks now hope that the rupee will further strengthen against the US dollar as India's economy remains a bright spot in the world. The Indian rupee's strong performance comes in the backdrop of healthy economic fundamentals. India's current account deficit is narrowing, and the World Bank estimates that it will come down from 3% in 2022-23 to just 2.1% in 2023-24. Current account deficit is the difference in the total value of countries' exports and import. When a country's deficit is healthy, it helps the local currency gain strength against the dollar. The positive role played by India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, can't be ignored either. The RBI has been buying and selling dollars in the currency market to keep the rupee stable. A stronger rupee not only helps India import more oil, which may reduce the fuel prices for consumers, but also import fertilizers and reduce the subsidy burden on the government. A strong rupee will also attract more foreign portfolio investors as they would not want to miss out on higher returns on their investments. Given that India's economy is poised to go strong in 2023-24, rupee is likely to remain a viable currency for traders. Rupee particularly scores well because it provides better returns and allows traders to hold more of the currency as a hedge against volatility risks. And what's better? The Indian rupee is on its way to become a truly global currency with several nations looking to trade in the Indian greenback. While it still has a long way to go before challenging the likes of the US dollar as a reserve currency, it is poised to give investors the best returns against the dollar. Bureau Report, WION World is One.